In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Meetup with Google Calendar. This process will help you keep track of all your Meetup events seamlessly alongside your other commitments, ensuring you never miss an important gathering again. To kick things off, you'll want to start by heading over to the Meetup website. Once you're there, find your way to the My Events or My Calendar page. This is where all your upcoming Meetup events are listed. It's a convenient spot to manage and review everything you have going on with your Meetup community. As you browse through this page, you'll want to search for an option labeled Add to Calendar or Export. Once you find it, it usually provides an iCal link for your events. This link is crucial as it's what will allow you to sync your Meetup events with your Google Calendar. Once you spot the iCal link, your next step is to copy it. Be sure to copy the entire link to avoid any issues syncing later on. With the link copied, it's now time to open Google Calendar, but remember, you'll need to use a computer for this part, since currently you cannot subscribe to a new calendar via the mobile app. Now, in Google Calendar, direct your attention to the left sidebar on the interface. Here, under the Other Calendar section, you'll see a small plus icon. Give that a click and select From URL from the drop-down menu that appears. This is where you'll paste the iCal link you copied earlier. Once you've pasted the link, simply click Add Calendar. With this step, your Meetup events will start showing up in your Google Calendar. However, it's important to be patient as it might take a little bit of time for the events to fully sync over. And that's it! Your Meetup events should now be integrated into your Google Calendar, making it easier than ever to stay on top of your schedule. Remember, having all your events in one place can really simplify how you organize your time, both socially and professionally. If you encounter any issues or if the events don't appear immediately, double check that the link was copied correctly and that you are logged into the correct Google account. I hope this video helps streamline your event planning with Meetup and Google Calendar. Thank you for following along and happy scheduling.